Hi, make a repl and I already have one here. Then add any Python file and add a repl file. Type language equals Python 3. It means that the language you're using is Python. Paste this line from the description, and what it means is that when you run the command inside, the double quotes are executed, which is the command to run Jupyter Notebook. Update pip by typing pip install upgrade pip. Install Jupyter Notebook and its required packages by typing pip install notebook. Now we have to make a config file for the notebook. Type Jupyter Notebook --generate -config. Now, to set up the password for your Jupyter Notebook, type Jupyter Notebook password and enter, then confirm new password by typing it again and enter. Now run the repl by clicking the green Run button above, and after a link has appeared, click the arrow button. Then enter the same password that you entered in the terminal and click Login. Now your Python file in the beginning is there on the Jupyter Notebook website. I wouldn't recommend you to use Repl, but use Colab if you have a more lightweight notebook.